Good morning, children. Today we are going to start our lesson from first term book in Maths. Okay, children. We'll see which is the first topic in Maths. Okay. What is the first topic? Geometry. Okay, first topic is geometry. You are going to see about the properties of 2D shapes and creating shapes by combining different 2D shapes and properties of 3D objects. Okay, we have seen about 2D shapes and 3D shapes already. Yes or no? In basics class itself we have seen. We can go through this one and then we'll go to the next topic. Okay, so properties of 2D shapes. We are going to learn the names of shapes like triangle, square, rectangle, pentagon, circle, etc. Karan and his parents went to a village festival. He saw some play articles. He can identify the shapes of some articles. He was not able to identify few things. Shall we help him to identify the shapes? Can you guess the shapes of these things? Yes? Yes, children? Yes. Okay, here you have circle, then semicircle, few places you can see rectangle, triangle, etc. Okay. So now you can draw circles using objects like bangles, coins, etc. Place a bangle or coin on a paper. Trace along its boundary. Which is boundary? This one. This is the boundary, but till your pencil reaches the starting point. This is a circle. Yeah, activity also is given here, and you just try out this activity, children, and then we'll go to the next thing. Draw 2D shapes in freehand with geometry tools. Okay, in that 2D shapes, first they have given about quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? Means all the four-sided figures like square, rhombus, rectangle, parallelogram. So this trapezium, parallelogram, rhombus are new to you. Square and rectangle, you know that very well already. Yes or no? All these closed four-sided figures. It should not be open. It should be closed. Closed four-sided figures are said to be quadrilaterals. Okay, we'll see the properties of quadrilateral. So this is the figure of the quadrilateral. All four-sided figures, closed four-sided figures are called quadrilaterals. It has four sides. This is one side AB, BC, CD and DA. The four sides, four vertices. Four vertices means corners A, B, C and D, and two diagonals. So which is going in between. So those are the diagonals, and A and C is one diagonal, B and D are one diagonal. Okay, few examples of quadrilateral are square, rhombus, rectangle, trapezium and parallelogram. You know about the square already. Yes or no? It has four equal sides. PQ will be equal to QR. QR will be equal to RS. RS is equal to SP. And four vertices. It has P, Q, R and S. Okay, so the diagonals of square also equal in length. Okay, so it is all sides equal. So few examples for square are carrom board, chessboard, one face of the dice. The whole dice you should not say, because a dice is a cuboid. Okay, so one face, the front face or back face, any one face will be in square shape. Okay, so rectangle also has four sides, you know that already, and four vertices. It has two equal diagonals. Here in this also you have equal diagonals. Okay, and opposite sides are equal. You can see this where by seeing the picture itself you can say that this w x and z y is equal and y x and w z is equal. Yes or no, children? Yes. Examples of rectangle are mat and blackboard. Here they have given few examples. You can say write some other examples around you also. Then rhombus. A rhombus has 4 equal sides. Here also 4 equal sides. L, M, N, O, L. All the sides will be equal. Okay. So L, M, N, O, L. All the sides will be equal and it has 4 vertices. L, M, N, O. Okay. And 2 diagonal it has. L, N and M, O. Okay, and one more thing, in square and rectangle you have the diagonals same. Yes or no? So the diagonals are same for those two things. Here diagonals are different. It will not be in equal length. So see here there they have given the diagonals are not equal in length. Examples kite and tile. Okay. Then come to parallelogram. Parallelogram has 4 sides E, F, G, H and HE and 4 vertices E, F, G and H. Opposite sides are parallel. So these are the parallel lines. Opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. EF will be equal to GH and FG will be equal to HE. So like a ink eraser it will be. Okay. So till this what we have seen? We have seen about square, rectangle, then rhombus and parallelogram. Okay. Okay children, we have seen that and we'll see this exercise tomorrow, and you have one more exercise here in page number 3. We didn't see that. See here, recognizing these shapes in the objects around them. You know about the plane figure. Okay, all 2D shapes are plane. The shape that can be drawn on a plane surface is called plane figure. Square, rectangle, triangle, circle, semicircle, pentagon, all those things are 2-dimensional shapes. Okay, so 2 activities they have given and the exercise is in first Roman you have to write the names of the shape in the following pictures. Okay, so like circle it has square, rectangle, triangle, like that you have to write what are the shapes it has, the picture has. Right in second Roman what should you do is you have to write the number of squares and triangle in the given picture. How many squares you have, or you have to count everything and write here how many square it has and how many triangle it has. Even this one you have to count. Okay, this is also a triangle. Okay, write the number of rectangles and triangles in the given picture. Rectangle, however, count rectangle and write here triangle and write here. And in third Roman, what should you do is identify the cut shapes and write the names in the boxes given below. Okay, what are the shapes you have? So that cut shapes you just write here, and here also you have to write the cut shapes of it. Okay children, this is your assignment for today. Do this and submit. Okay.